Good morning, third grade. It's Miss Barker from Syracuse Academy of Science and Citizenship. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. It is Monday and it is our last day of Spiral Math Review. And then we will be moving on to Ready. All right, let's jump right in. Number one, Juanita has 24 markers. She wants to pack them into 8 boxes so that each box has the same number of markers. Write and solve a division equation that shows how many markers Juanita will need to pack into each box. So we know that we need to use cubes, and I'm going to circle my numbers. And then I'm going to box important keywords. So each, we know that we either need to multiply or we need to divide. And then it says solve a division equation. So we know we need to divide now. So if I have 24 markers and I'm dividing it by 8 boxes, I need to know how many markers are going in each box. So if you want, you can draw a picture out and I will show you on my whiteboard how that looks. 1 box, 2 boxes, 3 boxes, 4 boxes, 5 boxes, 6 boxes, 7 boxes, 8 boxes. Okay, I have my 8 boxes drawn. Now I have to divide it up. 24 markers. So I'm going to go through and count until I have 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How many are in each box? 3. So we know that 24 divided by 8 is 3 markers. I'm going to try to spell this out with this mouse. Okay, so we have 3 markers. Done. Number 2, Alex shades 1/3 of the shape shown. How many parts does he shade? Well, we have more than 3 parts here. So we need to figure out how we can divide this shape up into thirds instead of how many we have. But let's count how many we have first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know we have 12 parts in this whole shape. Now we need to figure out how many we're going to shade. So let's look at this. If it's divided into 12, we need to figure out how to divide it into thirds. So I'm going to take my line, I'm going to draw it here, I'm going to move it over a little bit, and then I'm going to draw another line. Whoops, did that wrong. There, and then I'm going to draw another line. Here. Sorry, I moved it to the wrong place. Okay, so there. So that should be 4 in each. So I just divided it into thirds. So here's 1/3, here's 2/3, here's 3/3. I'm going to shade 1/3 of the shape. So that means this whole shape right here is all shaded. That's 1/3. Now I'm going to move that from there so you can see how many we shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4. We shaded 4 parts. So 4/12 equals 1/3 because 4 divided by 4 equals 1 and 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So I'm going to write equals and I'm going to show you just like that. So Alex shaded 4 parts. These ones again are very tricky because you're kind of reducing a fraction that's not there and you have to make the fraction in order to find the pieces. So that's why I'm walking through all of these for you guys to help you out a little bit. Okay, number 3, write each fraction from the box in the column that shows the correct comparison with 5/8. Use the number line to help you. All right, so we have 0. So we know it's 0/8. Now we know 1/8. I'm going to make these a little smaller. 2 eighths, 3 eighths. Whoa, that was big. 4 eighths. 5 eighths. 6 eighths. 7 eighths. And then our last one is 8 eighths, because 8 eighths equals 1 whole. So now that we have that labeled, they want us to identify what fractions are less than 5 eighths and which ones are greater than 5 eighths. So we have 5 eighths right here. I'm going to put a little circle on the line so we know that that's where it is. Fractions that are less than 5 eighths. So let's look at 7 eighths. Is that less than or greater than 5 eighths? It is greater than. So we're going to put 7 eighths here. Okay, 7 eighths is gone. 3 eighths is less than 5 eighths. So we're writing 3 eighths here. Three eighths is gone. Now 1 eighth. It is less than. So we're writing 1 eighth here. And then we have 8 eighths. Well, that is a whole, so we know that's going to be bigger. And then 6 eighths is 1 more than 5 eighths, so we know that is bigger. Just like that. All right, it looks like that is all for our video today. Number 4 and number 5 will be on your assessment. All right, I hope you guys have a great Monday. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.